Welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video I will be covering Bitcoin, HBAR token or coin, as well as FTT and PointPay ICO. So let's have a look and dive in really deep into Bitcoin and what we can do over here. So first of all, this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. As you guys can see right here, I did say multiple times in my previous video, a bunch of times, if you guys watch my video, I said that if we break below the 55 exponential moving average, we would see a bear market, at least on the short term or to medium term, approximately 1 to 2 months. That was my prediction. We broke down 1, 2, 3, but we haven't closed yet. So in my opinion, we would have to close in order for us to see that. Can we see that? Yes, it is very possible. So I wouldn't bank on going long right now because we're seeing a recovery. We have to wait for confirmation, guys. You have to wait. Let's have a look at the VPVR real quick, which is the volume profile. For you guys who don't know what the volume profile is, it shows you how much has been traded in that specific price range, essentially. So so as you guys can see right here, the 58,940 has been traded the most in this since I would say since February 24th. It does change all the time. So right now, since February 10th, 9th, this is the VPVR where it stands exactly where we are today. So there's also resistance right here, right here, right here, right here. And in my opinion, we still have some more downside to go. Before anything, guys, it's not financial advice. The next target would probably be right here. Look how there's literally no there's no support, like between here and here, there's like no support. So even though 50k is a nice support, like the next support would essentially be this area, in my opinion, which is 47 to 44,000. These two areas, it's the areas I've been talking for a few days now, since I believe Friday or Saturday, I believe. I'm not sure, I don't remember exactly correctly, but it's going to be very, very interesting to see where we are. This was the rising wedge I've been speaking about, guys. Right here, sorry. Right here, that was the rising wedge I was speaking about, and we broke down. The rising wedge usually comes back to its original target, which is right here where it started out. So that would be that. Another thing I want to have a look at is the 4-hour time frame, guys. And the 4-hour time frame is very, very interesting. On the 4-hour time frame, we do have a rejection on the exponential moving average. We came here, retested that 20 exponential moving average, got rejected, came back up, retested again, got rejected. I believe that we are seeing some sort of head and shoulder right now on the 4-hour time frame right here, which is like this. If we come back down, this would be the neckline. A break above here would mean a short. I believe we could come back here and then come back down. Let's have a look what our target could be on the inverse head and shoulder. Sorry, on the regular head and shoulder. Sorry, guys. On the regular head and shoulder. So let's bring that down. Put it at the breakout. Yeah, so it would be 50,000. That would be our target, and 50,000 is actually our previous support. Yeah, let's remove all the drawing real quick so you guys can see it clear. This would be 50,000 right here. So that would be our inverse head and shoulder target if we break out, of course, of this area right here. Yeah, so that being said, let's have a look at other tokens now, some altcoins. As you guys can see, the market is a little bit shaky right now. It was really, really red this morning my time, and everything kind of recovered slowly. HBAR, guys, HBAR is exploding right now, 11%. It is the hash graph of Bitcoin, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I'm not sure, but I know someone wanted me to have a look at it, so I'm having a look at it right now. Beautiful bounce off the support right here. This would be the resistance, I believe. We got a triple top. If we break that, I believe we can make a run to half a cent. That would be my prediction. If we break that, half a dollar. Sorry, guys, not half a cent. If we break that triple top, I think we can make a nice little run. We are consolidating, of course, after a nice little run right here. We had a beautiful, beautiful run. Let's see how many percentage that was. We had a beautiful, beautiful run of 1,000%, a 10x gain. If you guys sold at the peak, we came back and touched this, made a triple top 3 times, guys, 3 times, and it did do a W pattern, which is very, very bullish. But because of the circumstances of Bitcoin, we had a failed breakout. So anyways, let's see what it can do here on the daily time frame, medium to long term time frame. Another coin I want to have a look at is FTT, guys. FTT. So FTT, for you guys who don't know, they just had a partnership with Miami a few days ago. I believe it was last week. We had a nice, beautiful, powerful move on FTT. The same thing, about an 11x return, and we are seeing an Elliott wave, I believe, right now. I'm seeing it right now in front of my eyes. I didn't even realize that. Let's see. Let's count the waves. So we got the first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. Now we're currently seeing an ABC correction. I believe we can correct to $42. That's my prediction. They usually do something like this. A, B, C. It's usually something like that. The C is the biggest wave, so I wouldn't be surprised if we come back to the $42. Now, the reason why I'm very bullish on these tokens, on these exchange tokens, is because first of all, FTT is an amazing exchange. You could trade the stock market on FTT, which is amazing, and they also have partnership with Miami, which is also amazing. So the Miami Heat, the basketball team, for you guys who don't know, is worth I believe over a couple $1 billion, or even more than that. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Even more than that. So I think that we could make a nice little run to $500 at least on this token. This is an exchange token. Can this replicate what Binance did, guys? Yes, it's very possible to replicate what Binance did. My buy for FTT would be between these regions right here, 46 to 42. So it's going to be very interesting to see what it does in a medium to long to short to medium term. And everything will depend a bit on Bitcoin, of course. You guys can see right here, we saw this nice little dump only because of one little guy, Bitcoin. Anyways, guys, let's have a look at PointPay, the ICO that I've been speaking about. This ICO, in my opinion, will be massive, guys. It will be massive. First of all, I will put a link below for signups and referrals as well. There's in 10 days the ICO price will increase by 33%. Now, what is PointPay? PointPay is it's the future of digital banking. Very fast. PointPay blockchain based. I think it's the first blockchain crypto bank or whatever it is. Yeah, you guys, you could take legit loans from PointPay. It's in my opinion, this is the biggest ICO in 2021. They're very active. The team is very active on PointPay. Their roadmap is very active. You have crypto checking and savings account, easy transfer between accounts. You have daily compound interest with that, which I like. Now, I know you guys might say something about crypto.com. Well, let me tell you something about crypto.com. The crypto.com is not compounded interest. When you invest in crypto.com, it's and you want to stake your tokens, it's literally 10% the whole year. Here, when they say literally 30%, 6.1, it's compounded, guys. That means it's not like you'll be making $1 every day. You'll be making $1 the first day, then $1.01 the second day, $1.04. So that's the amazing thing about this, is that it's compounded. In my opinion, they are right on this, and it's not a lie. Highest interest rate in the industry. I believe that. They support Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether US, Tether Gold, guys. Like, you could literally invest in digital gold, but like it's like pegged by gold, of course. And PointPay as well. They have all these other coins, as you guys can see right here. Now this is true as well. Fast customer to customer fiat transfers. I just made a transfer to my friend, and it literally took about 1/10 of a second to get there. Another thing that's bullish is banking license in Wyoming. They want to get to America. As we know, with the SEC and everything, it's very hard to build a crypto community or digital bank in America. So it's going to be very interesting to see what they can do over here. They got a bunch of tutorials and customer support. By the way, guys, the Telegram I will be leaving in the group in the description below. They have a very active group. Their support is very amazing. I had a problem with PXP. I couldn't. I was just having trouble like logging in. They told me they told me to delete the app. Everything was right. Everything was fine in the end. The CEO answered me within seconds, and you also have a bunch of people, the customer support and helpers essentially helping you. So if you have any questions, they will help you within literally a few seconds. Referral system up to 50%. It is currently not 50% anymore. They do have to update this. It's actually 25%, and it ends today. And the reason why it is ending today, the 25%, is because people keep buying, and they can't just give out free money like this forever. So it is decreasing every time. So guys, get in this ASAP. That 10 days and 22 hours left until the price increases by 33%. Beautiful app. Look at this, guys. Bitcoin, Ethereum, they have everything here. Stellar, and more coins are coming to this, by the way. And it's just I love the app. It's beautiful. This is the mobile banking app application. As you guys can see, it's very fresh, very clean, easy to use, cheap fees. There's no ERC20 fees or anything like that. As you guys can see, competitive fees, instant transfer between all PointPay products. That means if I want to transfer between if I want to transfer essentially Ethereum from my account to their account, they won't take high fees, of course. If I want to transfer PXP from my account to their account, the fees is zero, guys, zero. Discounts for all internal transfers of PXP holders. Let's have a look what we can see over here. I believe I did mention this crypto checking and savings account. Of course, daily compound interest, I mentioned that as well. Let's have a look. Yeah, guys, so this, in my opinion, is going to be massive, massive, massive. Have a look at the white paper. Have a look at their Twitter. They do have also credit cards for this. Sorry, debit cards, and they have a partnership with Visa. So yeah, I mean, like, Visa is not gonna make partnership with mobile banking or whatever it is if they know they're not legit. So they know that they're legit. Visa, they believe in them. They know they're not gonna scam their customers. So this is one of the reasons why I'm heavy into this project. It's available in all languages. As you guys can see, we got France, China, South Korea, Spain, Brazil. Every languages, you guys. German, you guys are going to be part of it. So if you have any questions, go to those Telegram groups right here and be part of it. I'm going to leave my link in the description below. We did it. PointPay won #1, the best blockchain startup in 2019. This actually was supposed to launch in 2019, but the reason why they did not is because we were in a bear market and there was a huge disaster. And PointPay didn't want to, launch in a bear market because they thought it would bring negative vibes. In 2019, a lot of people were out of crypto. They didn't believe in it anymore. Now we're in a healthier position, better market, and I believe this can go to the freaking stratosphere if, if everything goes accordingly. Of course, they're always active. Their roadmap. Let's have a look at their roadmap real quick. Where's the roadmap? They're always updating their roadmap right here. They're always adding stuff to the roadmap, which is what we want to see. We want to see an active team and a legit team. Every Monday or Tuesday, I believe, the CEO goes live on YouTube. He answers questions. He gives updates on the product. He gives updates on the fundraising, how much they raise, how much tokens they are. By the way, guys, when all the tokens are gone, there will be a coin burn. So all the tokens that weren't sold will be burnt, which is very, very bullish in my opinion. The current price right now for PXP is 15 cents. It will rise up to 30 to 20 cents in about 10 days from now. So Q1 of 2021. Let's have a look right here. We're right here. Visa crypto debit card available for at PointPay. I'm getting one right now. Withdrawals as well. Look at that. This is amazing. Let's see what they have in Q2. P&L analysis on the app and website. One-click transfer between PointPay all products. That's interesting. Crypto gift cards. That's also interesting. I love this. Marginal trading implementation. Okay, I had no idea about this, and I really like that. I had no idea they can do that. PXP burning program starts. That means that would be in about a month or 2 months from now. Integration of Swift payments. That's also bullish. That means you could do from bank to PointPay. International banking license granted. That's also bullish, guys. Anyways, their team overall is very, very active. I like it. The roadmap is very active. They're always on the move, I guess. So why invest in PointPay? PointPay is a cryptocurrency banking platform. It disrupts the traditional bank model by enabling low cost and instant fund transfer across the globe using our native off-chain technology and PointPay token. Okay, so now when I use a bank, guys, or if I want to transfer money to my friend, a regular bank, not only are they gonna question you for no reason when you're trying to literally transfer peanuts, $50, but it will take between 1 to 3 days, which is freaking ridiculous in my opinion. This, you will literally have it in a span of 1 second, even less, and you could start spending it right away. So and transfer it, and you could gain up to 30% APY. So that's amazing. Anyways, a few things I want to speak about here. Not a few things I want to speak about before I leave. This is all the stuff right here. Yahoo Finance, U Today, Market Watch. They're one of the best in ICO holder, ICO bench. US China investment news. So they're everywhere essentially. So yeah, it's gonna be very, very interesting to see what happens in July, guys. I'm very excited. I'm hyped about this project. If you guys like this video, please leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.